Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make butter naan with wheat flour. First, combine 2 cups of wheat flour with half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda in a large bowl. Next, add half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of oil, then gradually add about half a cup of warm water, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Once your ingredients are combined, transfer the dough to a clean surface and knead it thoroughly for 5 to 7 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your naan soft and chewy. Lightly grease a bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it once to ensure it's coated. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let it rest in a warm place for at least 2 hours. This allows the dough to rise beautifully. After the dough has rested, divide it into 6 to 8 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it out into an oval or teardrop shape, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Heat a cast iron skillet or tawa over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Place a rolled naan onto the hot surface and cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side until bubbles appear and it develops golden brown spots. As soon as each naan is cooked, brush it generously with melted butter. This adds that classic rich flavor and a beautiful sheen. Serve your freshly made butter naan immediately while it's warm and soft, alongside your favorite curry, dal, or any Indian dish. It's truly a delightful addition to any meal. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.